What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome back to CA Buildz. Today we're picking up the GTR from the paint shop. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. We got the GTR painted, it turned out absolutely amazing. But now we're gonna go to the paint shop and bring the beauty home. Here she is, we got her home and I just can't get over it. It looks so good. I'm super excited to put it together. Everything is here, we have all the parts. There's a lot of stuff to put back together. This whole bumper needs to be put back together. All the little grills, the little lights over there, the middle grill, all that. We need to put the headlights back on, adjust those so they're sitting nicely. We actually had to take off these fender liners so we can mask it better over here when we're painting it. So I have to throw those back on. There's just a lot of work still that needs to happen over here, so let's start working. The headlights are on and man, it's looking so good already. All the gaps lined up perfectly. It was really easy to adjust them. Everything is just flawless. Both of the headlights align really good. Look at these gaps right here. They're just perfect. What I'm gonna do now is put on the hood vents over there. I'm gonna put on the badges and the little vents on the side over here, and then we'll throw the fender liners on. We got the hood scoops on and they look amazing. Man, every single piece I put on it, it just makes it look so much better. Now I'm gonna put on the undershield and start working on the fenders and then throw the fender liners on. All right, we got this side complete. We have our GTR emblem on, we have our duct on. Both of the fender liners are on. It's looking really good. We're gonna hop on that side and do that side now. Okay, we got this side emblem and vent on. It's coming together really nice. Both of the fender liners in the front are on as well. What we're gonna do now is actually put on these front ducts. This duct actually goes right there. We're gonna have to put this one on. This one goes on top of the intercooler, and then we have our windshield washer reservoir. So we're gonna throw all these on and then start putting together the bumper. right, guys, we got all the little pieces on and it looks absolutely amazing. All the ducts are on, those are good. We got the windshield washer reservoir on, got the little pipe or whatever this thing is called connected to it. That's good. What we need to do now is basically transfer everything from the old bumper on the new bumper, and then the grill actually goes on the bumper, so we'll do that. What kind of sucks is the new bumper actually didn't come with the sensor brackets. So these little brackets, show you guys a better angle. These little brackets we actually have to take off somehow and put them on the new bumper on double-sided tape. I'm not sure why they don't come with the brackets, but that's what it is. So we'll have to do that right now. And then just transfer all the little grills and the little fog lights, put on the grill on the bumper, and then throw the bumper on. But it looks really good already. Everything's coming along really nice. Now let's start working on the bumper. Okay, I got everything off of the old bumper. These are the little sensor brackets that I was talking about. They actually sit on double-side tape. I'll need to go to the store and buy some of that. But we got all the little grills off. The little fog lights or daylights, I don't know what these are. We're gonna have to throw everything on the new bumper, and then I'll have to take off this wiring harness and put it on the grill and throw everything on our new bumper. The bumper is basically put together. The only things I'm missing are the sensors, and I have to go to the store to buy double-sided tape. It's sitting on some kind of very thin double-sided tape, which I don't have, so let's go to the store and grab that. I got double-sided tape, so now let's clean off all the old tape and put the new one on. Okay, I got the brackets on and I actually put the sensors on already, but we are missing one sensor. I'm not sure where it is. I misplaced it somewhere. I thought they were all here, but that one is gone. And we're actually missing the little rings that go around the sensor, so I'll actually have to order all those and order a new sensor. But for now, I still want to throw the bumper on. We'll put on that one later when that comes in. I just want to put everything together and see how it looks. So let's get the bumper on. guys, next day here, and we got the GTR basically 100% done. All we're missing is this little sensor over here. Already got that ordered. I found the little rubber pieces that go around these sensors, and it looks absolutely amazing. All the gaps, everything lines up perfect. Look at this bumper and fender gaps. Those line up really good. The GTR just turned out perfect. It looks so good. Look at it all around. The gaps and everything is so nice. This lip, I really like the different color. It kind of stands out, makes it look really unique. But check her out. It looks so good. Let me open up the hood, show you guys underneath. I also put the airbag module back on. I already put the cover and everything back on there. Let me actually give you guys a start. Check that out. Oh yeah. GTR. There's no lights on the dash. Well, there you go, the airbag went away. There's no lights if you close the door. All the warning lights are off. Man, this thing is awesome. Let me open the hood for you guys. Show you under. Everything is basically put together under there as well. Let me open this guy up. Ah, man. GTR couldn't even use some hood shocks. They had to use a stick. Where is this thing? There you go. But check that out. Man, that looks so good. Still really dirty. I'm gonna have to wash everything, clean it all up. But overall, it turned out super clean. Everything was very smooth. All the gaps, everything lines up perfect. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'll still have to do a full detail, clean out the interior, clean the exterior, just wash the engine bay, all that. We got all these covers, these ducts on, everything's basically done. Once the sensor comes in, I'll still have to take the underlip off to reach to get into that sensor and put that one on. But overall, man, it came out really clean. I'm just super happy with how it came out. All right, guys, that'll be a wrap for today's video. The GTR is just turning out amazing. I'm super excited to start driving it. There's only a couple little things I need to finish up and it'll be basically 100% done. As far as the Audi goes, we're still waiting on parts, so those should be in pretty soon and then we'll have a video on that. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.